every single island moment lasts. Hey, the concierge service, top of the line. Just leave your worries.
I'm Captain Paul, right here on the ground in Aruba. Forget the algorithms. Let's make your trip exactly what you want it to be. First, if you're traveling as a couple, celebrating an anniversary, or planning a proposal, you want the romantic pick. That is the Monforte III. Unlike crowded party boats, this is a classic luxury schooner offering an intimate sailing experience. It's the perfect choice for couples who want to slow down, enjoy the sunset, and experience Aruba from the water in a more private and relaxed atmosphere. Next, if your idea of paradise is high energy, swimming, and jumping into the sea, look at the adventure pick, Dolphin 2 Catamaran. Wide shaded cockpit, open nets, an awesome rope swing, and access to Aruba's best shallow reefs like Boca Catalina.
Aruba's got a rhythm waiting for you. No rush, no static, just the trade winds blowing. The best kind of story is the one we're showing. Crystal clear water, the engine hums low. Crystal clear water, the engine hums low. Ready for the thrill, ready for the flow. Aruba Best Charters.
If you're bringing a group of 10, 20 or more for a milestone birthday or family celebration, you need space and energy. Boats like Cocolizo and Midnight Sun deliver flexible layouts, dedicated party music, and easy water access without feeling cramped. Here's an insider tip most travelers miss. When booking a sunset sail, make sure you choose a charter that navigates along the leeward coast, heading south toward Malmock on the return leg. That's where you get uninterrupted golden hour views without the heavy chop. Don't gamble your vacation on random aggregator listings. I've created dedicated walkthrough reviews for each of these boats right here on the channel. Click the video on screen to see the full tour, or head to ArubaBestCharters.com to check live dates.